Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add items to cart on the Nike Store application. So how to add items to cart on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, search and select the items you want to add to your cart. For example, here I selected this item. Tap the item you selected. It will appear like this. Scroll down. Next, select the appropriate size for your item. Then, tap Add to Bag. Once you've added your items, you can see them in your cart. So that's the tutorial on how to add items to cart on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.